the knuckle, which is basically a muscle divided in 3 parts. Out of these 3 parts, one is definitely tough, therefore it's suitable for a stew, it's suitable for some sort of a roast, if you like. In any event, it has to be a very slow cooking method to be used. Then we have 2 parts, which are, this one here is extremely tender, suitable for scallopini, for instance, except for the end part that could be a little bit tougher, therefore you can make a schnitzel if you like. This part, so the knuckle is divided in 3 parts. This is the 3rd part, which again we can divide it into sections. One section is extremely suitable for scallopini, for parmigiana, for schnitzel in general. And the bottom part, if sometimes it's too hard, you can make a stew out of it. And therefore, very profitable as well. Then we have the rat tail, as it's called, which is part of the knuckle. This is the tendon, and definitely this is suitable for roast. These ligaments, they are not very tough, so you can make a nice roast out of it.